tea time. We ended up here by ourselves, which is fine. We asked for a private table, and yeah, they obliged. We have like a whole private section.
And look at the
and the view is worth it. Look at that, right at the window, right at the very back middle of the ship. That's a beautiful. Let's see. Oh, the window's a little dirty. Beautiful view though. So I want to send a nice shout out to Dennis. Oh, the lighting. Okay. I'm gonna give a shout out to Dennis, who was another subscriber who watches our videos that just came up to me. We met. So again, another awesome person. We got to talk to and chat with. I did. Somebody was at the casino again. So, well, that's the question. Did you win anything?
No, not yet.
Okay, all right. Enough of that. But yeah, it was great talking to you, and I appreciate watching and coming up. So yeah, so we're gonna continue. Start our tea time. I hope we got some goodies here. All right. Yep. I hope they have. Last time we were here, they did not have Earl Grey tea, which I was really upset about. And if they don't have it today, I'm gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna complain to you about it.
Drink whatever.
Yeah, I'll drink whatever they give me, but I'll protest. I won't eat something in protest.
Right.
Yeah. So, but anyways, yeah, great views. They got the string. You can't. I don't think you can see over here, can you? They're playing the violins live over there. Can you see? Let's see if she can.
You can see.
Yeah. The people that come to tea time now. When we first started coming to tea time. Oh, sorry. I know the lighting is just horrible. But yeah, we used to come to tea time. There was only like a dozen people maybe would come. Now it's like we had to wait in line. This whole back section. This whole back section of the dining room, we're in the blush dining room in the back on deck 4. It's like filled up all back here, so it's pretty cool. But I know we never knew about it until we learned about it from watching somebody else's video. So maybe this is the first time you're seeing tea time, but yeah, it's usually on all the sea days. This is the first sea day. Some people told me, they commented the other day on one of our videos that when they went to the tea time on the second sea day, that they didn't have much of anything as far as food and stuff. So I don't know if that's because of the last day or not. So okay, hold on, they're here, so I'll be right back. Oh.
Do you want
Regular ticket for green tea only. The rest they have to pay.
Yeah.
What do you like?
Yeah, I want the Earl Grey. Do you have Earl Grey? Yeah, I'll take. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, see, they'll bring by the free ones. Yes.
Just the number, please.
Yeah.
1 or 2, Earl Grey?
Which other do you have?
Let me check.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So like I said, these are like $1 or $2, the quote-unquote premium teas. So I got the Earl Grey, and he's gonna get the.
They have like a berry one that's really good.
Yeah, it actually was pretty good. Oh yeah, what are you gonna
berry,
get?
English breakfast. I'll have this one,
This
the
one,
jasmine.
yeah.
Those look different than the ones we're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you. And did you get your Earl Grey?
No? Okay, we'll get it. Which one is that? What did you get me?
Jasmine Reserve. So we'll see.
That sounds
I'm trying
good.
this one for the first time.
I think those are different from the last time we were here, right?
Oh,
The
well,
packaging.
So that sounds good.
Yeah, because I'm trying to remember what the name. I know we show them in other videos of what the names of those were. They were like a tropical blend or something like that.
It was like a berry.
Hibiscus. I don't know.
Hibiscus something.
Yeah,
It was really good.
it was
was a little
very.
tart, but it was good.
Yeah, it was very good. It was very tropically. Is that a word? Tropically? Yeah.
No, but okay.
Yeah. You know what you guys know what I mean. So, but all right, we'll try that. I guess I'll show up with mine, and we'll continue in a few. Oh, you want to? Oh, okay. There you go. You got.
Picture.
Oh, you got your finger. Okay, we're focusing on the T finger. All right. We have our scone with cream. Is that what it usually is?
Scone with cream, yep.
Yep. I got my Earl Grey. Had a little bit of a mix up, but we got it taken care of. These are my favorite, actually. Those scones are pretty good.
The cream is very good.
Yeah, the cream is.
Scone's usually very dry, but with the cream, it goes well.
Oh, aren't they supposed to be dry?
Yeah.
All right, fork. There we go. Come on. All right,
My cream is good because it's not extra sweet.
both of them are good. The scone's good. It's got like a good. It's almost like a cookie, almost like a sugar cookie. And then the cream adds a little bit, but it's not over sweet. It's pretty good. All right.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Tea time was
This
a
time,
bust. Yeah, they were very disorganized. They came on our
they only
table.
came to our table once. That's
Yeah,
it.
so all we got was the scone that you
Which
saw
is
in the
okay,
video.
but
Yeah, so I don't understand it. Tea time used to be, you know,
it's one of our favorites.
yeah, it was one of our favorites. But this time, no.
Reno.
So I'm gonna go get some pizza. Okay, sorry, I didn't mean to cut off before people were getting the elevator and able to film. So we just, yeah, give it a second. We have a cruise ship sighting. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm not sure what ship it is. It's definitely Carnival. It's an older class ship. We were next to the Elation, which was kind of similar. I don't know if that's it. We got our trusty $20 Amazon binoculars. I don't know how. I don't know if we'll be able to identify it.
And fogged up.
Yeah,
Definitely Carnival.
it's cold in the room, so it's quiet. That's something we were just talking about, and I know I mentioned it earlier. It is. This ship is quiet. There's no music around blasting like usual. There's not a lot of people. Nobody's walking on deck here. You know, a few here and there. The seas are just, look how calm it is. It's so quiet. I mean, it's nice. I'm not complaining or anything, but it's just kind of unusual. It's not usually what we have, but it's great. See anything? Look at her. She looks like you look like a captain.
I am captain.
Look at that. I can tell it's an older ship.
Not the best.
Yeah, I can tell it's an older ship because you can see that there's only 2 sections of balconies in the middle and in the back. So, I don't know. I'm gonna get. I don't even know where we're
Where's the
at.
name usually?
In the front, under. I don't know, guys. What do you think it is? I forgot. There's 2 other ships in port tomorrow at Cozumel, but I cannot remember which ones. Is it the Dream? But I know that's not a Dream class ship.
I wanted to see what ship it was.
I mean, we can look it up on Shipmate. But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll see them tomorrow. So, but yeah, it's. So, getting back to tea time. So tea time used to be great, but that was just kind of sad. And a lot of people left. I was mentioned it was crowded before, but people just, I don't know. They were just skipping tables. They're only bringing stuff to certain tables, and I don't know. They used to be real nice, but I don't know. I don't know if we'll go again. Certainly won't go again this week. So I don't know. It's disappointing, but anyways, we grabbed a pizza, and it's about what time is it? It's almost 4 o'clock. And,
That ship has no name.
the ship has no name, guys.
It doesn't have a name.
Okay. It's a nameless ship. Okay. That it wouldn't have anything to do with those cheap binoculars you're using.
Maybe.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys saw it first. Carnival ship with no name. You saw it here. It's an exclusive.
Phantom.
Yeah. Okay. Take a picture with your phone and zoom in. You probably get better resolution than those.
See, try it.
Let's check out our cool pizza we got. I don't know. What did you get, anyways? I didn't even see.
Pepperoni. And I added garlic and
Yeah.
Parmesan.
I'd say
that
they're.
did not spill over.
Yeah, the Carnival pizzas are awesome. They're fantastic. It smells really good, but I'm not hungry now. I think I'm just gonna chill out. I'm kind of tired, so yeah. So a few things, but she's out there taking a picture with her phone. But yeah, so it's it's kind of a quiet. Like I said, it's kind of a quiet day, which is fine. The ship is real nice. It's just so smooth outside. It's kind of a mellow, chill. So yeah, I think we're gonna like I said, it's formal tonight, so I'll probably start getting ready in a little while. I'm not sure what everybody else is doing. I think they were in the hot tubs. I don't know. Maybe they're still there. So, all right, well, we'll check in with you before we head to dinner.
Okay.
All right, we are at formal night, and look how good we look. Woo! And now we're not going to be buying pictures, so we'll do the next best thing: take them with our cell phones.
He waits until he sees a shutter.
Yeah, the lady that came around to take our professional pictures, we're not like the most, what's the word for it?
Favorite? She's not gonna come back.
Yeah, she's not going to come back because we like to do fun stuff and silly. Yeah, I kind of do bad stuff in front of the camera, so they kind of probably won't come around again. But yeah, so it is lobster night. Are you having lobster?
No.
What are you having?
Spaghetti carbonara. Oh, good.
Ah, okay. Who's having lobster? You having lobster? I'm having lobster. You having lobster?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is that? Yeah. Oh, and a flat. Oh, state. What do you call it? Surf and turf.
Yeah.
Surf and turf. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's LA. Was it formal night or elegant night?
Elegant night.
Yeah. We have anytime dining, and it's kind of disorganized.
A little bit.
Yeah. But now we figured out we can check in on the app, and they'll tell us when our table is ready, but they don't make that clear at any time during the cruise. So now we know. We'll see how it goes tomorrow or the next day. So all right, we're just gonna wait for our food to come and check it out. Why they don't come? So an example of why they don't come take our pictures anymore is stuff like that. They don't find it very funny, but we do. What you got? What?
I can't remember the name.
Was it the bisque?
Mushroom something bisque.
Yeah, so that is the mushroom something bisque.
Boiled mushroom bisque.
That.
Yeah, that.
See.
It looks like gravy.
It's very good.
Very good.
Very tasty.
Angel got his several shrimps. I got shrimp too, so it's seafood night.
You know what it tastes like? Remember the one we tried when we did the cooking demonstration? The mushroom, whatever they gave us, that's what it tastes like.
Look at how great that looks. That shrimp is just, yeah. First time I had it this cruise. Usually get it several times.
Oh, got shrimp.
Yep.
I got shrimp.
Sorry, so all the guys got shrimp.
So you got 2 orders of
All the girls got soup, except for Louisa, because her mushrooms do not go together.
The shrimp helps sock the motor.
Yeah, just have arrived. And she's so, you're not doing good with names tonight. What is that?
It's a chipotle something pineapple martini.
Okay, we have a lot of somethings tonight. So, I want to try it.
I don't know why you bring your shrimp out.
All right. Here, you film me trying it.
You probably did eat one. You probably did one there.
Elegant.
You probably
I'm an elegant drinker.
No, because they get it all like
Spicy, right?
That's pretty good. That's good.
Yep, it has a kick.
Yeah, a little bit, but I like the pineapple-ish flavor. It's pretty good. Here it is.
spicy
Anybody wanna
chipotle
try it?
pineapple martini.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, now the kick kind of kicks in. It's pretty
I've had it
good.
before. That's so good. You like it? A little sweet, but it's Junior, you want to try?
Oh, they're about to make a mess.
Really?
That is.
It didn't come out.
Oh, look at that. Thank you. All right, we'll go back here. I got, of course, the lobster. And it has shrimp. I think it's mushroom risotto. That's pretty good. And Junior got the same thing, and also a steak. So he's going for the surf and turf. Maria got the.
Spaghetti carbonara, and I added chicken.
Yep. What'd you get?
Prime rib.
Prime rib. That looks pretty good. And lobster
And I have
there. And he got most of us got lobster. So I can't remember if I got that before. I'm pretty sure. Thank you. Oh, and he got salmon. All right. We good?
Very good.
Yeah. All right. That's our elegant formal dinner. We're gonna dig in now, so we'll see you in a little bit.
entertain you, and you will see them upstairs on the Lido deck during the daytime and during the late night meals. Dear guests, if there is anything that we can do from our side to make your dining here even more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to let anyone us know. Right now, the dining room teams are getting ready to dance for you for the very first time. Please request a huge round of applause for your dining room teams as they entertain you here for the very first time. And please join us. There we go, showtime.
We got our dinner show tonight. We weren't sure if we were going to have it because of anytime dining, but our banana split has arrived. And
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. I got a creme brulee too, and oh, there it is. Thank you. Oh, there you go. Thank you. All right, and creme brulee and a banana split. And double desserts tonight because it's vacation, or why not? Okay. How is it? Very good. All right.